experiencing no signal or HDCP errors when using Xumo TV. These issues often arise from HDMI connectivity problems. Start by checking your HDMI cable for damage. Faulty cables are a common cause. Ensure it's securely connected to both your Xumo device, like a Roku or Fire TV, and your TV. A simple restart of both devices can often resolve temporary glitches. For HDCP errors, which occur due to content protection mismatches, verify that your TV supports HDCP 2.3, especially if it's an older model pre-2015. If not, check your device settings for an option to enable HDCP 1.4 mode. Remember to unplug devices before inspecting ports to prevent electrical hazards. When basic checks fail, start with your cables. Use certified HDMI 2.1 cables, especially for 4K or 120Hz streaming on Xumo TV. Cable degradation is a frequent cause of HDMI issues. For environments with high interference, such as near power lines or electronics, use shielded cables to prevent signal disruptions. Check both your TV and streaming device ports for physical damage, corrosion, or dust. Clean gently if needed, but avoid forcing connections. If one port isn't working, test other available HDMI ports on your devices to isolate the problem. If you experience audio issues with HDMI ARC, switch to separate audio cables to resolve conflicts while keeping video through HDMI. For ongoing cable or port problems, wireless HDMI adapters can bypass physical connections entirely. Newer streaming devices include AI-powered diagnostics that can automatically detect and suggest fixes for HDMI problems. If issues persist, contact Xumo support for device-specific advice. For port damage, professional repair helps avoid voiding warranties.